How to remove search suggestions on Instagram. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to remove search suggestions in Instagram application itself. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open the application itself. Then here go to the search menu and then go for search suggestions. As you can see, here are many search suggestions. Now in order to remove it, just beside the username you can see an cross button. Simply click onto it. Here as you can see, it will be removed like this. So in this very simple way you could remove search suggestions in your Instagram application. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe